Welcome back to Le Petit Kitchen. This is Sue. And did I mention that we live in Florida? We do. And it's hot here. So my family enjoys a nice, cool dessert. Nice and cool and refreshing. Things like watermelon. But I also have this recipe. It's a really old recipe. I can remember my mom making it and taking it to church picnics. It's so simple. All you need is 2 packages of Jello, okay, instant, and we use sugar-free here. Some boiling water. Get that to the boiling point there, 112 degrees. I have the Jello in here, and then we're going to add 2 cups of hot boiling water. Add that to our Jello mix there. Now the trick to making any type of Jello dessert is to make sure that you get all of the Jello to dissolve. So the best way to do that is to make sure your water is boiled and then stir it. Stir it a lot, because if you look, there'll be Jello on the bottom of the bowl, okay? So you just mix that for a few minutes, make sure it's all dissolved, and then you can let it sit for a few minutes. That'll help with the hot water. And here we have store-bought angel food or sponge cake, okay? And this is very simple. It's very nice that it comes in this little container. We're going to put it upside down. And we are going to poke some holes in the bottom of the cake here, like this. There you go. All right. And I'm going to set that aside there. I think this is pretty well dissolved here. And then we're going to add 2 cups of ice water. Let that ice dissolve in that hot water, and that will cool the Jello down and make it set up faster in your refrigerator. All our ice cubes are gone. Okay. Down over there. And now we're going to just pour this into the little holes in the bottom of this cake. And it's going to soak into that sponge cake. And the Jello is going to be dispersed all through the cake. And of course, it's going to run out the bottom as well. So you're going to have a layer of Jello in the bottom. And once this is set up, we're going to frost it with some Cool Whip. There you go. Almost done. You want to pour too fast because you want to give it a chance to soak in to the cake. There we go. Have that done. That's what we look like. I'm going to put this cover back on it, put it in our refrigerator overnight, and tomorrow morning we will have a wonderful, nice, cool summer dessert. So here we are back. We've gotten our nice summer dessert out of the refrigerator. The Jello is all set up now. Now, if your grocer has your sponge cake coming in these little containers like this, makes it very simple. We've set the Jello up in there and the cake. You just flip it over like this, there you go. You have it right on the serving plate. Now we're going to frost this with the frosted Cool Whip. Yes. Like that. Now, of course, you're going to need to keep this refrigerated, but your family is going to love this nice, cool, refreshing summer dessert. You make it with any flavor of Jello. For the 4th of July, you use red and blue Jello with your white Cool Whip, and you have a nice patriotic dessert. So here we go. I'm going to slice this up like this. And there you go. Beautiful, refreshing summer dessert. Don't forget, if you enjoy our videos, make sure that you subscribe. We love to see subscribers. And then check out our site for our links to our kitchen gadgets. And we'll see you next time.